And the last part, in fact. So today we are right here. Let me show you around. So look at all those seagulls right there. They used to come to our house. We are far away from the house right now, but they actually used to come here, and we actually are really happy to be here. This is still Fish Creek Park, except it's just a little different, and it's really beautiful here. So we're at place number 2, and then we're gonna go home because we've done a lot of hiking today, and I guess it's time to go home. We have been here since 12 o'clock in the morning, and then we are gonna leave. We're probably gonna reach home at about 3 o'clock. Look at our brother right there.
Yeah.
He's just like running back, and that's our grandpa and our dad. Okay, we're going that way. Change of plans, we're going this way. Come on. Let's go. He just asked that, can we go close to the water? And I just asked him if he said that, right? And Ekam, we cannot go, I'm sorry. Oh, it's okay. Can you tell her dad? He's asking her dad, can we please go close to the water right there? Because he really wants to see. Look at this. Like, there's so many houses
I want to
around
go to
here.
the scary park where that person was. And that's
Let's go over here. That was the bench we were sitting at. This is our language. So if you guys know, in Sikhism we have this book that we read, and this is part of the book. It's kind of like a song, not for us, it's called a shabd / kirtan, but for you guys it may be a song. So, anyways, look at these trees over here.
in that place, there's like still lots of trees. In that place, like where we're going now, like there's like so many trees.
There's a bridge right there.
Yeah.
There's a tree that got cut
I think
down.
there's water. I think there's water there.
Yeah, it's part of this. I think.
The lake is like really big. And it leads all the way over there.
Let's keep walking. Oh, yep, she's right. There is water down the street.
And this is
bench
all
over here.
the lake.
The lake is huge.
There's it's not over here, I think.
This warm weather is really warm and I love
When
it.
you go, there's like benches.
Yeah. Oh, looks like another tree that got cut. Look at the sky. There's like really cool patterns. Sometimes
I
it's
want
like
like
that.
trees to be cut